Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to start sharing. First, join the meet and make sure the browser requested screen permissions. Grant them. Once done, focus on the bottom right controls and click Present Now. You do this early so participants can see content fast. It also triggers browser permission dialogues if needed. Make sure you don't accidentally mute your microphone unless you want silence. Proceed immediately to choose what you want to show so participants won't wait. You'll now pick the exact source. Entire screen shows everything, a window limits to one app, and a Chrome tab is best for video with sound. When you need audio, choose Chrome tab and check Share tab audio. This routes the tab's sound to everyone. If privacy matters, select a single window to avoid exposing other apps or notifications. Once selected, click Share. Meet then broadcasts that source. If you change your mind, switch sources from the three-dot menu, or stop and restart presenting. To finish, click Stop Presenting and you'll return full attention to the meeting. If participants report a blank screen or no audio, first verify browser screen sharing permissions and that you shared the correct tab with audio enabled. When sharing fails persistently, restart your browser or rejoin the meeting. Sometimes extensions or another app holds the display stream. Also close apps that use video or GPU. Then try presenting again. This resolves most stubborn conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.